Derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
Hey traders, in this video we'll go over how to add cumulative delta to your charts in EdgeProX. To start, click on Study in the menu bar and then select All Studies. Alternatively, you can hit Ctrl-T on your keyboard. Then type in cumulative delta into the filter window and click on cumulative delta to pull up its settings window. Then adjust the customizable settings for both cumulative delta and relative delta. Relative delta allows you to see the buy-sell aggression across different trade sizes in the market. Once you have the settings how you want, hit Create. You can then adjust the cumulative delta section of the chart as needed.